What is the best way to make money online? That's what I'm going to cover in this video. As you can see, this is a bunch of answers to a question that someone asked regarding this. And, when everyone wants to make money online, the first thing they go and do is they search into Google, how do I make money online? And what shows up for it is the worst advice ever, okay? And hopefully I can add to the advice, and hopefully it'll show up and it can be good advice. So this is really powerful. I'm going to cover how you can actually, make money online, the best way to make money online, because believe it or not, there is a best way for minimal input, for most output. And then the other thing people want is, a lot of money. And something that can work for everyone and that's easy and simple. When it comes to making money, you should think of things as more detailed. Okay. There's more details. There's more angles to look at. You need to look at all the angles. It's very, very important. So here we have someone saying that there's a difference between earning and making, and then there's ways of making money. They say it could be freelancer, social media manager, graphic designer, website designer, SEO consultant, all these things. Microworker, oh my gosh, worst advice ever. Do not do microworkers. In fact, don't even be a freelancer or someone like that unless you're getting paid enough. Okay, because you can't make a living off that. You can be an affiliate for a freelancer website and make money per commission of people you send. That way, that works. Person also says, we want a business that fits the following criteria: low startup cost, okay, short time frame, high income potential, and high passivity. Something like that. I'm gonna weigh the pros and cons in multiple ways of making money. So what are the ways of making money online ultimately? You've got digital products, you've got physical products. Okay, so right there you can make a choice between the two. Next, you got a choice of marketing or sales if you wanted to master a certain skill. What do you want to master, marketing or sales? Now, what I'd recommend is master marketing, because you've got to get traffic in order to get sales, okay, in the first place. A lot of people can, sell anything just by having something to sell, and it sells itself, just by having a good offer or a good product or service. But you got to have traffic. So traffic is a big, big key. Are you going to sell a product or a service? So make that choice. What I would recommend, if you first start, do a service. Those sell better and easier and actually more money than a product. But you can always promote someone else's product easily, very fast. If you do your own thing and you're deciding between a product or a service, you should do both, honestly. But if you're a beginner, it's best to get to service-based business. Oh, by the way, digital or physical, digital products are by far better due to the margins, but physical products, sell pretty much way more, okay? They're almost easier to sell. The profit margin, though, is minimal, and there's more hands-on and it's more manual. You have to fulfill orders. It's harder to do that. And so you have to think of all these angles, okay? Very important when it comes to all that.
Okay, sweet.
When you think of making money, you should think of not like you're creating money, but it's more like you're collecting money.
Who got my money? Who got my money?
You ever heard that? So basically you want to attract money to you, but you also want to, same thing, collect money, okay? How do you do that? You provide value. Whatever it is, you're just trading money for value. And that's the way you should look at making money online. It's just trading value for money, okay? Whether it be a valuable product or a service, all right? Very, very important. Somewhat relevant to what is the best way to earn online, it would be sales. Selling something, obviously, is the best way. Do not do a service for too long. You'll get overworked and you'll run yourself into the ground, literally. Okay, so don't do the service for too long. The ultimate best way is a recurring, subscription membership model. You probably saw this a couple times as I scrolled through here. I saw it a couple times, but memberships is huge. Very important. You got to get recurring income. If you just promote a recurring offer, literally, you can make recurring money for months on months, and that's ultimately your goal. So if you're going to promote anything, that should be your core offer, is a recurring offer, okay? So, there's softwares for that, there's memberships for that, there's groups for that, there's niches for all of it. In any niche, you can literally come up with something that is a recurring. YouTube, let's talk about YouTube for a second since I saw that. YouTube is powerful. YouTube is better than a blog, just so you know, but you can work both of them hand in hand. They're both SEO type friendly things. Now, YouTube, you can run ads on. Blog, you can run ads on. YouTube's better for that. YouTube has more scalability. YouTube lasts longer. People enjoy videos more. So if you were to choose to do YouTube, Just understand it's a very powerful way of making money online. I have a separate channel, an entertainment channel, that makes me $1,000 every single day, around that every single day. And I have affiliate links, and I have ads on the videos, and then I have this channel right here, and I promote my own products, I promote more affiliate products, and I have ads on these videos, and this channel's growing as well. But the entertainment one, as you know, entertainment literally gets the most views on YouTube, okay? And so it's a big niche. Anyone can get into it. I teach how to do it, and you guys can make a lot of money with YouTube. Next here, we've got, don't do online surveys, don't do ebook selling. I first started with affiliate marketing. I couldn't make it work for years. Then I got into selling ebooks for a little bit. I remember I got into drop shipping, all these things. And finally, I cracked the code to all of it, okay? Affiliate marketing by far is obviously the best. Why? Because you can promote anything. Listen, you can promote anything. And then you get commission, and it's essentially just money in your pocket, like commission. Like you're doing door-to-door sales, but online, and you don't have to be there for every single interaction. So you just get a commission for each conversion. And when you get good at that, you can always have money in your bank account, my friend. If you don't have money in your bank account, or you're struggling right now, mastering the power of affiliate marketing and sales and marketing is the best thing you can do, like by far. What is the best way to earn money online? And I'm gonna tell you right now, it is recurring is ultimately the best, so I'll put that at the top just because it really is the best. Recurring is. And then below that, affiliate marketing, making money from commissions, having a no cap is really good. Like being able to scale to the moon without having a cap on how much you can make. It's huge. Ultimately, selling something is called working smart, in my opinion. A lot of people work hard, which is trading time for money. You gotta work smart. And what is that? You sell things, okay? Sales can be scaled, and there is no cap, okay? But working hourly obviously has a cap, and it sucks. Is find something you want to sell and sell it, okay? And focus on that. Get traffic, master traffic. Like I mentioned, marketing is the number one thing. And also make your offer be a recurring offer and sell that, okay? So do recurring, sell that, and be master of traffic.